Good morning. Sorry, good afternoon. So my voice is clear. So today I'm taking oral preview. So we are discussed almost 21 units in the previous 9 classes, right? We have only one person, two persons joined. No problem. So in our environmental computer science subject have lot of units. So first one is introduction introductions to computer. What are the introduction? Okay, computer components gani or computer parts related concept we are discussed. So first unit, introductions to computers. Okay, block diagram of computer also we are discussed. So second unit HLC computer software. What are the softwares? Right, we are discussed. So what is software is nothing but set of instructions. Okay, set of rules is called software and discussed some. Then third unit, program development and life cycles of development. In this concept also we are discussed 6 concepts, right? So like the life cycle, software development life cycles are also discussed. In the fourth unit, algorithm problems and flowchart representation also we are discussed, right? So in the block one sections have only 4 units. One is introductions of computer. What are the types of computers are discussed, and generations of computer. We have 5 generations of computers, right? We are discussing that topic. And computer software, which type of software, application software, web development softwares, okay, Windows softwares, we are discussed. What are the different types of software also we are discussing, right? So in the first block, 4 units, and block two, C programming, right? C program also we are discussed. In the Unify compiling and linking C program, what is C program, introductions of C programs, and who is the father of C language, also we are mentioned, right? So C is a general programming language, and what are the basic types of data types learning, right? And operators, control flow statements, these are all we are discussing. So some basic input output expressions and declaration statements are also we are discussed. In the block block 3, unit 9th, some function statements conditional statements array concepts, strings and files concepts, preprocessors, structure and unions are so we are discussing. So last block, I think fourth block, C++ programming. So we have discussed C language, and additionally we are introduced to C++ programming in the block 4. Okay, what is C++ programming? Who is the father of C++ programming? What are the basic concepts in the C program? Data types and calculation, C++ classes, function overloading, and inheritance concept, 5 types of inheritance concepts, and memory allocations. We are completed these all chapters, 20. So 21, fifth block, environmental science with the computers. So our subject is environment science, right? How we are using computer in our environmental science concepts, like computer applications, computer related devices, components, like some pollution related calculation purpose, accuracy purpose, result purpose, we are discussing, right? So orally, I want to give complete preview about our environmental computer programming today. So first, that's why I am sharing our slides. So first of all, introduction C Gani, some computer components related Gani, like I am discussing completely our subject related concept, right? Now I am sharing. So what is computer? Computer is a electronic device which is used to store the data and process the data, analyze the data, right? So computer is an electronic device, right? Like we have a lot of devices like fan, TV, refrigerator. They are all electronic devices, but they can't store the data, right? They can't process the data. They can't analyze the data. So which difference ఏంటంటే computers and other electronic devices, computer can store the data, analyze the data and process the data. That's why we use computer for calculation purpose and storing purpose and analyze purpose, right? So in the computer concept, we are discussing input devices and output devices, right? So like these are the parts of computer, some parts of speakers are monitors, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. CPU stands for Central Process Unit, right? Mouse and keyboard, these are the input devices. Speaker and monitor is output devices. Some uh, examples of input devices and output devices. So in the input devices, keyboard has more than 100 plus keywords, right? 104 or 108 keyboards is there in this keyboards layout. Some groups are divided into five groups keys. So all keyboards contains keys like numeric keys or alphabetic keys, right? Some symbols gani, function keys, control keys gani, Windows key, Alt, caps lock or tab, escape button. These are all the keys. And these more than 100 plus keys are contained one keyboard, right? In this keyboard, divided into five groups. One is alphanumeric keys, number keys, and function keys, cursor movement keys, and means up, down, slow down purpose. Yeah, navigation keys sometimes. So navigation keys means cursor movement keys and modifier keys, right? So alphabetic keys means contains A to Z alphabetic numbers like caps lock or small letter purpose. We use this alphanumeric keys, number purpose. Only numbering purpose we use numbering keypad. It contains numbers contains 0 to 9 mathematical operator purpose like plus purpose gani, minus like multiplication purpose, division purpose. We use this number keys. Okay. And also function keys. Function keys are uh, in the keyboard contain F1 to F12, right? So this particular function keys perform special functions like assignments of commands purpose, invocation purpose, or menus purpose. These keys we will use, right? For keyboard shortcuts to command purpose, we use F1 keys, usually used for help purpose F1 key, refresh purpose F2. Like these are the function keys. And modifier or cursor movement purpose and screen up down purpose and scroll down purpose, we use these navigation keys. So another name of navigation keys are cursor or movement keys, right? So types of computers. Actually, types of computers we have discussed. Some are the desktop computers, laptop computer, okay, farm top computer, smartphones, tablet, everything. Every electronic device is a computer. Computer means calculations, right? Okay, computer means calculation purpose we will use, right? So he is the father of computer, like Charles Babbage. Already we are discussed, right? He is the father of computer. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. So some computer hardware components. Every computer run with some specific components like input devices or output devices. So software is nothing but set of rules, or it is an application, collection of programs. Software is nothing but collection of programs, right? Hardware. What is hardware? Hardware means it is a components. We can see the hardware, we can touch the hardware, we can repair the hardwares, but we can't see the software. So in case, what is the difference between computer and hardware, computer software and hardware? In case they ask me like these questions, we have to mention these points. Computer software is nothing but is a set of rules, collection of programs. We can't see this, we can feel it only. But computer hardwares are, we can see, we can visible, we can touch, and we can repair them. In case sometimes it is not working, we can repair them. That is, those are the computer hardware. So examples of computers hardwares like monitor is also one computer hardware, CPU, motherboard, so scanner, printer, speakers. So these are all computer hardware components. So like CPU contains motherboard, right? So motherboard means it is a mother of all components. Every instruction followed by motherboard. Okay, so that's why we say motherboard. So types of applications like software applications, these are the like Chrome, Java, Windows, everything is an application. Android application, PowerPoint, presentation, regent. Okay, Office buttons related, MS Office Word, MS Word, Mac Free, Gmail. These are all applications. How a computer works? Computer works with three components. Okay, input devices, CPU, process devices, output devices. This is the block diagram of computer. Okay, block diagram of computer. So examples of input devices, keyboard, mouse. We give the instruction to the computer with the help of this keyboard or mouse. అంటే every ఒక టాస్క్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలంటే ఈ కీబోర్డ్ లో నుంచి ఇచ్చే ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ని ఫాలో అయ్యి కంప్యూటర్ ప్రాసెస్ చేసి అవుట్పుట్ రూపంలో మనం గెట్ ఇన్ అవుతాం వాల్యూస్, రైట్? క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ రిలేటెడ్ కానీ అప్లికేషన్ అవుట్పుట్ రిజల్ట్ పర్పస్ కానీ. సో వి యూజ్ దిస్ మీన్ హౌ ఏ కంప్యూటర్ వర్క్స్ అంటే కంప్యూటర్ వర్క్స్ విత్ ఇన్పుట్ డివైసెస్, ప్రాసెస్, సిపియు, సో అవుట్పుట్. Computer process contains three categories: process, okay, CPU, central processing unit. Every main body or a main content operating by CPU, central. It is the middle, central. Okay, point of central processing unit contain three types. One is ALU, MU, memory unit. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Okay, CU, control unit. Everything. Okay, arithmetical calculation purpose we use arithmetic logic unit. Memory unit, storing purpose we use memory unit like hard disk, RAM, random access memory, CD drive and hard disk drive and then ఇలా ఒక్కొక్క like SSD or SDD. SSD stands for solid state drive. SSD means solid state drive. SDD means hard disk drive. Okay, memory storage purpose. Again, memory unit also three unit. One is primary unit, secondary unit, and cache memory. Okay, primary memory unit ki RAM, random access memory. It is okay. Non-volatile memories అని volatile memories అని ఇవన్నీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. లైక్ అవుట్పుట్ డివైసెస్ పర్పస్ ప్రింటర్ కానీ స్పీకర్స్, మానిటర్ ఆర్ ది ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్పుట్ డివైజెస్. అంటే మనం ఏదైతే ఒక అవుట్పుట్ని గెట్ ఇన్ అవుతామో, స్క్రీన్లో విజిబుల్ రూపంలో చూడగలుగుతామో, సౌండ్ రూపంలో వినగలుగుతామో, వాటిని మనం అవుట్పుట్గా అంటాం. అంటే కంప్యూటర్ నుంచి వచ్చే ఆడియో కానీ, సో స్పీకర్స్లో ఆడియోనే కదా మనం వినేది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ది Examples of output devices. Right. Next, these are the examples of input devices like keyboard, microphone, mouse, joystick, light pen, scanner. Okay, joystick, gaming purpose, we use joystick. So machine language, what is computer languages? So computer languages are machine language. Computer can understanding only binary language, that is 0 or 1, that is low level language. Machine language low level language same, right? So computer can understanding only machine language, that is low level language, right? So low level language means zeros are one. Here zeros means false, ones means true. Otherwise, zeros means low value, one means high value. That's it. These are the binary digits or bits language. Zeros are one. In memory concept, 8 bits equal to 1 byte, 4 bits equal to half byte or nibble, right? We are discussing these all the things. Uh, like 1024 bytes equal to 1 KB kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes equal to 1 MB megabyte, 1024 MB equal to 1 GB gigabyte, 1024 GB equal to 1 TB terabyte, 1024 terabyte equal to petabyte, next exabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, brontobyte. Like every time these values increasing, right? What are the uses of computers? So computer particularly using study purpose or listening music purpose, drawing purpose, chatting purpose, chat purpose, send email purpose, and play gaming purpose, like watch movie purpose, right? These all the things we will do with the help of computer. Computer in our daily life, like schooling slow, we are using home need purpose, gani, home game, entertainment purpose. In the banking sector also we are using, right? Hospitals, data storage purpose or patient యొక్క data storing purpose, like banking slow transaction purpose, deposit purpose, withdraw purpose, airport లో ticket booking purpose, office purpose, we are using computers. In daily our life, we are mostly depending on computers. So what are the advantages of computers or uses of computers? Like, so computers can give the value, accurate values, never do any mistakes. Every time it's give accurate values. Computer never get tired, so not tired. At a time, computer can do multiple tasks, so that's why multitasking. Never forget to remind our notifications. Computers every time it indicates like alarm, like some birthday wishes related. Never forget notifications. Like, so also computer do some work very quickly, very fast. Okay, it's give accuracy value and also it do fast calculations. That's why we are using computer. These are the advantages of computer. Some disadvantages also listed in the computer. Okay, some computer doesn't have any feelings, no feelings. So computer every time it's depending on human instructions, they can't decide. That's why can't decide. Work on users orders. Okay, every time they follow human instructions. That's why computer works, right? Like types of softwares. So I said already, PowerPoint presentation, Chrome, MS Word, like Gmail, Android, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. These are all types of softwares. And a software is nothing but set of instruction, collection of program, right? So that's why, like software, computer softwares are divided into two categories: application software and system software. Like application software means like WhatsApp, Facebook, like Instagram. These are the application software like Java, Python, These programming languages are all application software. System software means system can run with the BIOS gani, like basic input output systems, like desktop applications. These are all system softwares. So like what is operating system? Operating system is nothing but it is a interface between user and system applications. So every time computer follow user introduction, then after it do some specific works. Like that is operating system. Like operator అంటే ఏంటి లేదు, వెరీ సింపుల్. ఒక ట్రైన్ మూవ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఒక ఆపరేటర్ రిక్వైర్డ్. వై వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ అంటే జస్ట్ ట్రైన్ మూవ్ అవ్వాలన్నా, అదర్వైజ్ ట్రైన్ ని స్టాప్ చేయాలన్నా, దెన్ లేదంటే ట్రైన్ యొక్క స్పీడ్ ని క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తూ దెన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజ్ పర్పస్ one operator required. Here also computers also required one operating system. It is a heart of computer. Every instruction followed by computer operating system instructions follows. Every time operating computer follows operating system instructions. Okay, that's why we say operating system is a art of computer. Without you without operating system, computer is a useless device. Like it is a dummy. Sorry, 1 minute. Water తాగుతుంది. Right? Okay. So here operating system users depending on some application softwares. So application software interact with the system software. Then system software interact with the hardware. Then hardware give instructions to system software. Then automatically system software also give the instruction application software like outputs. These outputs user will get finally, right? So user ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయితే కంప్యూటర్ ఇలా ఆపరేట్ చేస్తారండి. ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఫర్ డెస్క్టాప్ అండ్ ల్యాప్టాప్ పర్పస్ లైక్ we have using mostly more than 80% operating system mostly we are using Windows operating system. So Linux is also operating system. Mac stands for Macintosh operating system. So almost in our world, more than 642 operating system there, like Windows operating system, Android operating system, Linux operating system, Macintosh operating system, Unix operating system, Saint OS, like Lollipop, like Saint OS, Parrot, Ubuntu. These are the examples of operating systems. Recently, Bharat launched operating system is Bar OS. In 2022, January 16th, Madras IIIT University students recently launched Bar OS operating system, right? So Microsoft Windows, different versions are Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 10, Windows 11. Recently, Windows 11 running present, but upcoming Windows 12 also coming furtherly. Android operating systems like phones are using tablets using Android operating system, like Mac Free, Secure Antivirus, Desktop Efficient Profile Manager. These are all applications. Okay, so this is the introductions of computers. Then and what is software, what is hardware. Then next system development life cycle, third unit. System development life cycle is firstly planning. Some applications are program related plannings. Then analyze, design, implementation, and maintenance. Software are program related. Every time we give the instructions, before giving the instructions, we planning the design. Then these planning instructions will implement and analyze the data. This data will design some particular statement wise. Also we implement and maintenance. These are the life cycle development, system life cycle development cycle. right? So next topic, algorithm. Fourth unit. What is algorithm? Algorithm is nothing but step-by-step procedure. Okay, in the page number 63, what is algorithm? Okay, according to DE pointer, the computer science discipline and algorithm must purpose the following properties like finiteness purpose, definiteness, effectiveness purpose, generality, input output purpose. We use we use the algorithms. Okay, so algorithm is a method of representing the step-by-step logical procedure. What is the definition of algorithm? So algorithm is nothing but it is a method of representing the step-by-step logical procedure. Very simple process is a algorithm. Very simple. That step-by-step procedure is called algorithm. Then next, what is 1 minute? Sorry. Right. Then next, algorithm is nothing but step-by-step procedure is called algorithm. Okay. Like processor, like step. Every programming concept or every task do some particular steps, do with some particular steps. So this step-by-step procedure is called algorithm. Okay. So next, what is flowchart? Flowchart is nothing but graphical represent of algorithm is called flowchart. Means when we are assigning the steps like calculation purpose or we are assign some steps. These steps represent with some graphical representation like oval symbol and rectangle symbol, parallelogram, right, and rhombus symbol, right? These are it's represent some particular specification. Okay, so what is the work of oval symbol like stop purpose and big okay start purpose and stop purpose? We use this end symbol oval symbol, that is a terminal symbols, and parallelogram. So input output purpose we using parallelogram symbols. So making the data available for processing or recording of recording purpose. Okay, information purpose we are using, this is a parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram indicates with input purpose and output purpose. The next rectangle. Rectangle is a process. Any processing to be performed, a progress changes or moves data, an assignment operation normally represented by this symbol. Okay, an assignment operation normally represented by this symbol, that is rectangle symbol. The next diamond symbol. So decision making. Okay, switching type of operations purpose. The next determine okay alternative path is to be followed some using decision symbol, that is diamond symbol. Okay, so arrow flow symbols, giant store symbols, and also reference flow of execution purpose. Okay, flow of execution purpose, we are using this arrow symbols. Okay, these are the flow chart diagrams. The next topic is C programming introduction. I'm sharing these notes. So introduction C. C is a programming language. developed at AT&T Bell Laboratories in USA in 1972. C was introduced in 1972. Right. Father of C language designed by Dennis Riches. So, wait. He is the okay. C is a programming language developed at AT&T Bell Laboratories in USA. So C is introduced in 1972. C is introduced in 1972. Okay. So introduced in 1972. So designed and written by Dennis Riches. He is the father of C languages. He is the father of C languages. No problem. C is highly portable, means we can implement. Okay, C is a highly portable. Okay, that is software written for one computer can be run on another computer. So portable means అంటే very simple. ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ లో రన్ అయ్యే ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కానీ ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కానీ వేరే కంప్యూటర్స్ లో కూడా రన్ చేయడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ పోర్టబుల్, రైట్. Then important features of C is its ability to extend itself. So a C program is basically a collection of functions. Okay, C programming is a basically collection of programs. So in this C languages, we are discussed introduction. What are the constants, variables, operators, what are the expressions, structure of C program, control structure, arrays and string concept, functions. So one by one, we will once we give the I give the preview. Like so historical development of C in C. First in 1960 years language ALGOL. Okay, ALGOL. So algorithmic language. International committee developed it is okay. Remote to general to abstract. So it is very too general to abstract. That's why we are moving to these steps. Right. So in 1960, first language okay, algorithmic language, and CPL, combined programming language. CPL stands for combined programming language. So 1967 BCPL introduced. Okay, combined language. Cambridge University introduced, developed. Okay, combined programming language developed by okay, Cambridge University. Okay, the next 1961 BCPL at a basic combined programming language, and B language 1972 C language. Okay, say compiler language. So Dennis reaches attention and loss generally of right. So C token. A token is an atomic unit, smallest individual units in a free program. The most basic element in C program recognized by the compiler as a single character or group of characters called C tokens. Okay, compiler cannot break down the tokens and further, for example, the works main brackets. So here tokens means here we denote some symbols. These are the curly braces, parameters brackets. So these are the tokens, some symbols. Okay. Okay, then atomic symbol. These are the smallest invisible units number. Right? So in these types of like we have different types of tokens, like keywords, like example float, int, double, while, for, like identifiers, examples of a main, amount, like constants, example 12 gani, 7894. These are the constant. They never change the value. String, like sequence of character, like CSM, Thursday, things like names, like strings is nothing but things. Special symbols, examples of uh, closed curly brackets, mathematical closed bracket, parameters. These are the special symbols and operators. Examples plus operator, division operator, multiple operators, subtraction operators. These are all the these are tokens. Okay, standard keywords. Standard keywords are auto, continue, enum, if, short, switch. These are all inbuilt keywords. So computer can understand these are the inbuilt keywords. Okay, auto, continue, enum, break, default, integers, while, do, while, float, long, union, character. So these are the all standard keywords. Standard keywords particularly we use in the program C languages, which so real constants. Wait a minute. So constants, real values are often called floating point constant. There are two ways to separate them. Okay, real constant decimal form and exponential form. Right? Wait a minute. It's working properly. Okay, sorry. Some character symbols and they meaning. Okay, so this is till, comma, period, semicolon, question mark, and double quotation, left parameters and right parameters. Okay. Uh, Next, left bracket and right bracket, left brass, right brass, మీసాల బ్రాకెట్ కూడా అంటాం, కర్లీ బ్రాకెట్స్ అంటాం. స్లాష్, ఫార్వర్డ్ స్లాష్ ఉంటుంది ఇందులో, బ్యాక్వర్డ్ స్లాష్, దిస్ ఈస్ ఫార్వర్డ్ స్లాష్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్ బ్యాక్ స్లాష్. ఓకే, ఫార్వర్డ్ స్లాష్ అండ్ బ్యాక్ స్లాష్. ఓకే, లెస్ దాన్ అండ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్, ఈక్వల్. ఓకే, ఎక్స్క్లమేటరీ మార్క్, ఆశ్చర్యార్థకం, మైనస్, ప్లస్, యాష్, డాలర్ సైన్, ampersand. Ampersand meant are the and symbol. Okay, స్టార్ లేదా asterisk సింబల్, asterisk. ఓకే, పర్సెంట్ సింబల్, లైక్. Next, identifiers. So identifiers are distinct names given to program elements such as constant, variables, etc. So an identifier is a sequence of letters like name, digits, like special characters. Okay, like every C language programs start with some particular identifiers. It must start with earlier letters or underscore or, okay, no comma or benefits are allowed within the variable name. So some identifiers symbols. Next, keywords. Keywords particularly using system understanding purpose. Like every time we are not denote full form of every program statements. So keywords are specified tokens in C. These are called reserved words. And already I told you. Keywords have special meanings to the C compiler. Okay, compiler is nothing but high-level language convert into machine language, right? Machine language to high-level language purpose. So C is a compiler language. And a human using high-level languages, but computer can understand only low-level language. That is machine language. So these communication purpose, we are using these compilers. So these keywords can be used only their intended action. They cannot be used for any other purpose. C has 32 keywords. So C language has some keywords. Those are 32 keywords. What? Like example keywords are integer, int, float, double quotation, like into main functions, like while, do while, for loop, while loop. These are the reserved keywords. They are already inbuilt in with the C compile language. So rules for constructing integer constant. Already we have discussed with data types. So we have three types of data types. Integer, basic data types. Basic data types are examples of mm, integer, float, double, char, boolean. These are the examples of integer data types, right? So, seventh unit, basic data types and operators. Operators particularly do some task like action purpose, like operators are various types, uh, arithmetic operator. um, Arithmetical operator can do arithmetical functions like calculation purpose, additional operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator, then next module operators and component operators. So operator is nothing but it is a symbol. Operator is nothing but it is a symbol like plus symbol, minus symbol, right? Then various types అన్నాను కదా, like arithmetical operator, relational operator, comparison between two variable purpose we use relational, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to or not equal to, right? So these are all operators. I will share the notes. Operators, right? Like operators. Okay. So arithmetical operator, relational operators, and logical operators, bitwise operators, and assignment operators. So actually operators, three types. One is binary operator, unary, ternary. So in this operator concept, one unary operator want only single operator like a plus plus, I plus plus. So it is a increment operator, unary. It is decrement operator, right? So every time this value increase by 1, every time this value decreased by 1, unary. So these operators contain two types, post operator, pre operator, post increment and pre increment. Purpose we use this unary operators. So binary means two, unary means single operators. So at a time we use only single variable. So single variable increasing purpose or decreasing purpose we use this unary operators. Binary operator means like a plus b. Here a plus plus means a value equal 5. It's print next time value 6 means every time it increase by one value. Unary operators. Then next binary operators every time here operand 2. So a plus b ante a plus b. So a is a operand, b is a operand. So plus is a operator symbol. So like it is a arithmetical operator. So arithmetical operator can do arithmetical operator operations like calculation, division, multiple, module. Relational operator means comparison purpose, like more than 35 pass, below 35 fail purpose, condition purpose. We use this relational operator. So comparison between two person purposes, we use this relational operators. Which one is the best? Who is best purpose? Like sometimes both person also equal, like a equal 10, b equal 20. So here a less than b is the symbol correct. A equal 10, b equal 10. Then here a equal to b. This relational symbol is will be used, right? This is relational. Logical operators. So logical and, logical or, logical not. So logical and means when both conditions true, it's print true. Otherwise, it's print false. This is logical and means every time two conditions true, it's print true. Otherwise, it's print false. Logical or if one condition is true, it's print true. Otherwise, both condition false అయిన టైంలో మాత్రమే it's print false. Logical not means when condition true, it's print false. When condition false, it's print true. So means logical not means లైక్ రాంగ్ అంటే రైట్, అదే అవునంటే కాదనిలే, కాదంటే అవునులే, లైక్ అలా. like bitwise operators and are okay less than show shifting value purpose, component value purpose, we use these operators. Assignment operator, assigning, like we are using equal symbol assignment operator. So this is additional assignment operator, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division, module assignment operators. These are assignment అంటే లైక్ a equal 10 అని అసైన్ చేస్తున్నాను అంటే a is a variable, 10 is a value, but we are denote with equal symbol, that is assigning a variable value, we are assigning the value with a 10. So that is assignment operator. Okay, this is ternary operator. Ternary operator conditions 3. So like which a is the value biggest value, c is the value, b is the value, c is the value biggest value. అలా కంపారిజన్స్ కి ఒక కండిషన్ మీద కండిషనల్ ఆపరేటర్ అంటారు. సో ఇట్ డినోట్స్ విత్ ఏ ఈజ్ టు బి అని చూపించి వాటి యొక్క కండిషన్ డిపెండ్ చేసి కండిషన్స్ మీద ఇట్స్ ప్రింట్ దిస్ వాల్యూ. ఓకే, దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ దీస్ ఆర్ ది ఆపరేటర్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ ది టాపిక్ నెక్స్ట్? సి ప్రోగ్రామ్ రిలేటెడ్. Okay, next topic, statement and iterations, flow control statements. Yes, I will search in the flow control statement. C language. So flow control statements. So control flow in C programming, understanding control flow is circular while building logic and creating dynamic programs. In this guide, we will okay. So very simple. Here control statements are three types. One is conditional statement, iteration statement, and jump statement. Okay. So it is three categories. Flow control statements are three types: conditional statement, iteration statement, or looping statements. Another name of iteration statement is looping statement. So while loop, do while loop, for loop purpose, we use the iteration statement. Iteration means the process will continue again and again until when they get the conditions true or false. Right? Iteration means the process will continue again and again until we get the condition true or otherwise false, whatever it is. Right? That is iteration. Conditional means when it gets one condition like above 35 marks pass, otherwise it fails. It is a condition, right? Yes or no? Marks per pass. So here we use if condition, if else condition, nested if condition, switch statements. Okay. So like if condition means if either more than one two condition purpose we use if state, right? If like comparison between two purpose where more than one value, compare between more than two values. In this statement, in these conditions, we use this, right? Switch case. So switch means like మనకు ఏదైతే ఒక పర్టికులర్ ట్యూబ్ ఆన్ చేయాలన్నప్పుడు అందులో 8 స్విచెస్ అబ్జర్వ్ తెలియదు మనకి. సో అలాంటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, 1 by 1 ఇలా స్విచెస్ ఆన్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాము అంటిల్ మన ట్యూబ్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఆన్ అవ్వాలో అప్పటి వరకు అలా చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాం. సో ఇయర్ ఆల్సో ఏంటంటే స్విచ్ కేస్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ అలా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇటరేషన్ వైల్, డూ వైల్, ఫర్ లూప్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ జంప్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. సో జంప్ మీన్స్ బ్రాంచ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అంటాం. Okay, branching statement are jumping statements. So breaking purpose, like when we get the answer, we will stop the process. So when we use this statement, where we use break statement. Continue means where we are stopped, we want to continue again, we will use this continue statements. Okay, like here, like branching statement, I said like already jump statements. So another name of jump statement is branching statement. Like these are the. So C provides several control flow structure that enables us to dictate this execution flow of our program. Let's explore the three primary structure. Conditional statement, if else. Conditional statements allow us to execute certain blocks of code based on specified conditions. They provide branching behavior where different paths are taken depending on whether a condition is true or false. So if condition, here it is taken one program. So if condition code to execute, if the condition is true, is print this value, Otherwise, else means this condition is false, it's print. Code is to execute if the condition is false, it's print else statements. Like examples, our student pass marks, above 35 marks, it's print pass. Otherwise, it's print else fail, like this statement. So here example, the code inside the block is executed if the condition is true. Otherwise, the code is inside the else block is executed. Right? Means here condition is false. Definitely it's print this value. ఇది కాదు అంటే ఇది అవుననే కదా అర్థం. సో అందుకని ఈ వాల్యూని ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. రైట్, ఇంత డీప్గా పోలేనప్పుడు నేను స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నాను. వాట్ ప్రివ్యూ కాబట్టి టుడే. సో అన్నీ ఒకేసారి కవర్ చేసేస్తాను టాపిక్స్. These are the flow control statements. Okay, flow control statements are three types. One is conditional statement, second one is iterational statement, third one is jumping statement or branching statements. So conditional statements again 5 types: if condition, if else condition, nested if condition, if else if condition, switch condition. Okay, nested if means if contains again itself, that is nested if. అంటే if లోనే again ఇంకో if condition ప్రింట్ చేస్తే that is nested if condition. Right? Then next topic, 11th topic, functions and program structures. So what is function? Function is nothing but group of statement is called function. So every function has a, I'll show the notes. Okay. Missing. Very simple. What is function? Functions is nothing but a group of statement is called function. Okay. Every statement has a particular specification. Functions are two types. One is inbuilt function. Second one is user defined function. Functions are two types. One is inbuilt function and second one is user-defined function. Input functions examples hash include statement into main function statement. These are all inbuilt, means these are the reserved keywords. User-defined means function declaration purpose we use, function derivation purpose we use this concept. Okay, these are user-defined. User and I means we are the user. We will create the functions. Okay, the next function program structure. First one is function definition, variable declarations, logical statements, and conclusions. These are the four structures of program function and program structure. Next topic, arrays. 12th unit, arrays. So arrays is nothing but sequence of elements, all similar elements. Means array means we can store the all the sequence elements with the help of array concept. Array is a derived data type. Okay, it is a derived data type, means these data types depending on basic data types. Array is nothing but sequence of elements, similar elements, sequence of similar elements. Like example, library lo మనం books ఎలా store చేస్తాం? Like math books are stored with some particular rack, right? Science book are also we store with some particular rack. So here also array concept is also same, stored different data types కాకుండా ఓన్లీ సిమిలర్ డేటా లైక్ నంబర్స్ గా అంటే నంబర్స్ కానీ, క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంటే క్యారెక్టర్ డేటా టైప్స్ ని కానీ, ఇలా సీక్వెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ని కెన్ స్టోర్ విత్ యూజింగ్ అరే కాన్సెప్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ అండ్ strings. String is nothing but sequence of characters. It is a derived data type. Okay, so data types are three types. One is inbuilt data types, derived data type, user-defined data types. Examples of derived data types, arrays and strings. Okay, string is nothing but sequence of character. This string denotes with a double quotation. Everything like name, Ramu, Sriram, Shailaja, everything is a string. Like sequence of character, like A to Z character use చేసుకొని ఇలా. Then alpha numeric characters కానీ. Purpose we use this. Think purpose we are using string concept. Okay, string contains some particular array size. This array size denotes with brackets, square brackets. Okay, size purpose we are like అందులో array size ని మనం 10 ఇచ్చామనుకో, we can store only 10 elements మాత్రమే స్టోర్, 10 characters మాత్రమే స్టోర్ చేయగలుగుతాం. సో array indexing value begins from 0 onwards. అంటే లైక్ రాము అనే క్యారెక్టర్ కానీ ఇంకా రవి ప్రసాద్ అనే క్యారెక్టర్స్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఆర్ లెటర్ కానీ 0 ఇండెక్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ ఏ అనేది 1, వి అనేది 3, అలా ఈ విధంగా డినోట్ చేయగలుగుతాం, రైట్? లైక్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఏంటంటే అది క్యారెక్టర్స్, అరే సైజ్ ఎంత కానీ స్ట్రింగ్ సైజ్ ఎంత అంటే రవి ప్రసాద్లో రవిలో 4 letters, ప్రసాద్ 5 letters, సో టోటల్గా 9 letters ఉన్నాయి. సో 9 letters అంటే అరే సైజ్ కానీ స్ట్రింగ్ సైజ్ 9. బట్ ఈ ఇండెక్స్ వాల్యూ 0 నుంచి 8 వరకు ఎండ్ అవుతాయి. అంటే ఆర్ వాల్యూ 0తో స్టార్ట్ అయితే డి వాల్యూ లాస్ట్ ఫైనల్ వాల్యూ 8తో ఎండ్ అవుతుంది ఇండెక్సింగ్ వాల్యూ. ఆ విధంగా డినోట్ చేస్తాం స్ట్రింగ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ సి ప్రీ ప్రాసెసర్స్. సో సి ప్రీ ప్రాసెసర్స్ మీన్స్ అంటే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎప్పుడైతే స్టార్ట్ అవ్వక ముందో కొన్ని కీవర్డ్స్ అండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ని ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేయడానికి, అప్లై చేయడానికి, సోర్స్ కోడ్ బిఫోర్ ని కంపైల్ చేయడానికి we use this preprocessor concept. Once upon a time the preprocessor was a separate program, but now the compiler and linker may still the separate program today. అంటే కంపైలర్స్ ప్రీప్రాసెసర్ అనేది ఇంతకు ముందు సి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ లో ఓకే అంటే సెపరేట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అనేది ఉండేది, సపరేట్. బట్ ఇది ఏంటంటే లింక్ చేసేసారు, కంపైలర్ అండ్ లింకర్స్ లో మేబీ సెపరేట్ చేశారు, రైట్? ఇన్ ద ఫైల్ ఇంక్లూజన్ పర్పస్ కానీ, మ్యాక్రో సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ పర్పస్, కండిషనల్ కంపైలేషన్ పర్పస్, ఈ విధంగా 3 ways లో. సో ఫైల్ ఇంక్లూజన్, ఇన్సర్టింగ్ ది కంటెంట్ ఆఫ్ అనదర్ ఫైల్ ఇంటూ యువర్ సోర్స్ ఫైల్ as if you had typed it all in the there. ఇలా 3 ways లో ఎంజాయ్ చేశారు. 3 ప్రాసెసర్స్ అంట, రైట్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్, నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ఏముంది? దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. ఓకే, స్ట్రక్చర్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఓకే, it is a collection of identical objects. Okay, structure and unions is a contribution data structures that provide entity adequate the most user need to the years. So means structure means అంటే very simple. ఇందాక నేను ఏమన్నాను, arrays and arrays is nothing but sequence of elements, similar elements అన్నాను, sequence of character. But here structure and union particularly using concept is multiple data types ni we can store with యూజింగ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కాన్సెప్ట్. స్ట్రక్చర్స్ లో అంటే డిఫరెంట్ నంబర్ డేటా అని, క్యారెక్టర్ డేటా అని, లైక్ నంబర్ న్యూమరికల్ డేటా అని, అంటే ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ మల్టిపుల్ డేటా అని, డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ డేటాని వీ కెన్ స్టోర్ విత్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఓకే, సో ఎనీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డేటా వీ కెన్ స్టోర్ విత్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కాన్సెప్ట్. యూనియన్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ సిమిలర్ మీనింగ్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్, so C++ programming. So already we have C languages. Then why we are introducing block for C programming languages? So C++ is a object-oriented programming language. C is a procedure-oriented programming language. Every time C is a general programming language, C++ is a object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented. So what is the difference between C and C++? So very simple. C is a procedure oriented. Like every time we have to define statements like procedure wise. Ante C++ is a reusable programming language. Means once we create one object, we can call multiple times. But in C language, every time we have to insert the same code multiple times. Sometimes we want to get to 10 times, we have to insert that statement 10 times in C programming language. అంటే ఏం లేదు, ఒక అవుట్పుట్ని గెట్ ఇన్ అవ్వాలనుకున్నప్పుడు సి లాంగ్వేజ్లో ఆ అవుట్పుట్ పర్పస్ మనం ప్రింట్ఎఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ని ఒక 10 టైమ్స్ అవుట్పుట్ కావాలనుకుంటే 10 టైమ్స్ ఆ అవుట్పుట్ని అంటే గెట్ ఇన్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటే ప్రింట్ఎఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో సిస్టమ్ రీడింగ్ పర్పస్ 10 టైమ్స్ని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలి కోడ్ని. కానీ C++లో అలా కాదు, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని క్రియేట్ చేసి 10 టైమ్స్ కాల్ కావాలనుకున్నప్పుడు, అంటే 10 అవుట్పుట్ కావాలన్నప్పుడు వీ కెన్ కాల్ 10 టైమ్స్ అని ఇచ్చేస్తే 10 టైమ్స్ ని ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. అంటే ఒకే స్టేట్మెంట్ ని మనం 10 టైమ్స్ కాల్ చేసుకోవడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. అంటే సి ఇస్ ఏ ప్రొసీజర్ ఓరియంటెడ్ లాంగ్వేజ్, బట్ C++ is a object oriented programming language. C is a robust programming language. C++ is also a robust programming language. C is a portable language. C++ is also a portable language, right? Then C++ contains some additional features like those are the class and object. What is class? Class is nothing but collection of objects. Class is nothing but collection of objects. What is object? Object is nothing but things, like human also one object, chair is also one object, computer is also one object, right? So these are all objects. Like a very simple example, like fruit is a class అయితే fruit types is a object, like banana is a one object, like apple is a one object. But a collection of object is called like ఏంటి fruits అంటున్నాం, fruits is a class, right? So class is nothing but collection of object. It is a blueprint. Class is a blueprint. Instead of class we use object. Object is nothing instead of class, right? Like class types అంటే humans are all class. Human type like teacher, lecturer, student, doctor, actor, these are objects. Okay, object contains some specific. Okay, class is described few set of data type structure and also classes provide a way to combine function with the data inside a single more complex data item. The features of class is class and functions are divided into two kinds, right? One is public features, second one is private features. So public features that can be used by any functions, okay, in any program that include the class, okay. Public features can use by any functions in any program that includes the class. Then private features that can only used by the routines within the class, right? Allowing the hiding the implementation details. Next topic. What is function overloading? What is function overloading? So function overloading is a, okay, very simple. Function overloading is a inheritance in C++. Function overloading is nothing but using the same function and name different programmers to different type. So same function overloading is nothing but, okay, it is a inheritance in C++. Function overloading is nothing but using same function name for different programmer, okay, different programmers for different type. We can use this function overloading. Okay, same data types ni or same values ni number of times multiple ga use చేస్తున్నప్పుడు system will get confused. సో ఈ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ని చేసి ఏంది డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్ ని కూడా మనకి ప్రింట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో అలా ప్రింట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఫంక్షన్ ఓవర్లోడింగ్ అవుతుంది. లైక్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక పాత్రలో ఒక 10 లీటర్స్ మాత్రం పడతాయి, దెన్ కాదని మనం ఒక 10 ఆర్ 20 ఒక 10-15 లీటర్స్ బస్ ఏమవుతుంది, ఓవర్ఫ్లో అయ్యి ఆ వాల్యూస్ అనేది బయటకు వచ్చేస్తాయి కదా. సేమ్ లైక్ హియర్ ఆల్సో కంప్యూటర్స్ కెన్ print the values. Function overloading is nothing but using the same function like a equal 10 value, b equal 10 values అని చెప్పేసి యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. లైక్ ఫంక్షన్ నేమ్ కూడా సమ్ టైమ్స్ వీఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ పర్పస్ అని ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ నేమ్స్ ని ఎట్ ఎ టైమ్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ in this time. So we are using same name, function name and different programmers and different parameters and different values. This concept is function overloading. So inheritance means specifying the hierarchical relationship between types. Class can be inherit the both data and function members from other classes. In addition, in inherit to relations so that then object shortlist which inherit from the class list. So we have five types of inheritance: and single inheritance, multi inheritance, okay, hybrid inheritance. Like types of inheritance, 5 types of inheritance, like single inheritance, multi inheritance, okay, multi-level inheritance. We have type. Inheritance means one base class creates one subclass, one parent class creates child class, okay. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న డేటాను క్రియేట్ చేసి వేరే డేటాను క్రియేట్ చేస్తే దాన్ని మనం ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ అంటాం. దాంట్లో మనం ఎన్క్యాప్సులేషన్స్ కానీ పబ్లిక్ ప్రైవేట్ అంతా డిస్కస్ చేసాం. And memory allocations, particularly every data stored with some particular memory allocations. That memory allocations are two types: static memory allocation, dynamic memory allocations. These memory allocations are using with some particular two operators. One is new operator, second one is delete operators. We are discussed. So in compilation times or execution times, system can give some data. We are giving the data. So this data purpose, we are assigning some memory allocations, right? Last unit 21, block 5, computer applications in environmental science. Okay. So in this concept, we are already discussed development of software application for mobile computer has been recently, okay, used by availability of more powerful operating system and transfer the standardized programming languages on ever smaller computing platforms. So this development have opened the door to creating new applications in the field of environment science. Okay. So actual field purpose, work component purpose, water sources, geology purpose, biology purpose. We are providing some software tools to improving accuracy purpose, efficiency purpose, and quality purpose. Okay, data collection process can significantly improve current practice. Okay, so in addition, the technologies in the course allow users to link real-time field data collection purpose. We are using these computer applications from various devices, centralized data server located at a remote location, concept termed field data streaming purpose, right? And data streaming purpose. We are using this computer. Computing and sensing technology. Computing means prototype for integrated field data collection system has been developed in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Varu. The prototype system. So computing, sensing technology using some elements, field servers and remote server purpose. Okay. So some systems is combined hardware and software components on various platforms like recognized mobile computers, water quality sensors, geopositional sensors, GPS, geopositional sensors, field instrument purpose, chemistry, biology purpose, mobile software application purpose, like wireless connectivity purpose, mobile computers, like every sensing technology, like some doors opening purpose. Very simple. In environmental concept wise, we are using this application, computer related applications and software related application, some mobile devices, right? And some desktop, geographical information systems related, and also we are deploymenting and a field deploymenting purpose. We are using these system concepts, applications. Okay, integrated field data purpose. Then data managing purpose. We are using these computer applications. So finally, conclusions. The main computer applications in environment science are collection and improve the accuracy of environmental field data. Right? Right, where here means అంటే field లో ఒకవేళ మనం మాన్యువల్ గా డేటా కలెక్ట్ చేసాం అనుకుంటే అది అంత ప్రాపర్ వేలో రిజల్ట్ అనేది ఇవ్వకపోవచ్చు. బట్ కంప్యూటర్ లో స్టోర్ చేయడం వల్ల కంప్యూటర్ కెన్ ప్రాసెస్ ది డేటా, అనలైజ్ ది డేటా అండ్ ఇట్స్ గివ్ ది అక్యురసీ వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ రిలేటెడ్. Okay, field and site the office collections the automated transfer of the environment data associated with the location can be assembled executed without the loss of precision that typifies transfer across various media. By using computer technology, the system add new dimensions of special locations to the data collection purpose and process purpose and transferring purpose, displaying purpose. Okay, different users also provide the textual and spatial categories of displays purpose. Finally, the integrated system can be used in the conditions a field study from the centralized location in real-time purpose, data display purpose via a web servers also we will use. సో ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్స్ లో మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అంటే పర్టికులర్ కంప్యూటర్స్ మీరు ఎందుకు చదువుకుంటున్నారంటే ఒక వాటర్ యొక్క క్వాలిటీ చెక్ చేయాలన్నా అండ్ అక్యురస్ వాల్యూస్ ని మీరు ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ లో అంటే ఫీల్డ్ నుంచి కలెక్ట్ చేసిన డేటాని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసి అక్యురసీ వాల్యూస్ ని గెట్ అవ్వడానికి ఈ ఫీల్డ్ డేటాని అనలైజ్ చేయడానికి ప్రాసెస్ చేయడానికి వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ కంప్యూటర్ డిఫరెంట్ కంప్యూటర్ కానీ డెస్క్టాప్స్ కానీ అప్లికేషన్స్ కానీ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. సో దట్స్ వై వీఆర్ స్టడీయింగ్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఓకే, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ 21 units టాపిక్స్. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా సబ్జెక్ట్ రిలేటెడ్? కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్?
ఓకే అండి, బాగానే ఉంది. 20 నిన్నటి క్లాస్ లో నేను అటెండ్ కాలేదు, అది యూట్యూబ్ లో వీడియో కూడా రావడం లేదు.
అవునా,
సరే ఏమన్నా అది యూట్యూబ్ లో వీడియో ఉంది కానీ అది 2 minutes 3 minutes ఉంది.
ఐ థింక్
అదే
అది డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది మేబీ.
ఆ,
నో ప్రాబ్లం, మీకు ఆల్రెడీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ లో క్లియర్ గా ఉంది, చదువుకోవచ్చు.
ఓ,
ఐ థింక్ నాదే ప్రాబ్లం కావచ్చు. బట్ ఇంకొకటి మీరు ఏంటంటే ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ రిలేటెడ్ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ గివెన్ బై టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఇన్ ద పేజ్ నంబర్ 249.
అవును.
ఓకే, దెన్ ఇన్ దిస్ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ almost 7 maximum marks 70, so pass marks 28. Okay, section A contains 8 questions, answer any 4 each. Okay, each questions have 5 marks, so 4 5s are 20 marks. So section B contains 3 3 okay 10 questions, marks 10 marks. Okay, each question carries 10 marks. You have to attempt 5 questions. 5 10s are 50. 50 plus 10. Oral 70 marks. Remaining 30 marks your practical sessions. So like here differentiate RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM is a primary memory, ROM is a secondary memory. Okay, volatile memory, non-volatile memory. ఇలా డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయండి. ఫ్లో చార్ట్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఫ్లో చార్ట్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్. యూజెస్ ఆఫ్ సి ప్రోగ్రామ్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద యూజెస్? సి ఈజ్ ద జనరల్ పర్పస్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్, వీ కెన్ యూస్ ఎనీవే లైక్ షాపింగ్ మాల్స్ కానీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లైక్ జనరల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పర్పస్, రైట్? Explain the role of statement in C program. Every statement contains some particular task. Discuss arrays of arrays. Arrays are different various types: single array, multi array, dimensional array. ఓకే, ఇది ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆల్రెడీ నేను అరేస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినట్టు చెప్పాను. లైక్ 3 మేజర్ యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ కంప్యూటర్స్. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ మీ నౌ. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ నౌ ఎండింగ్ ది సెషన్. సో ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద లాస్ట్ క్లాస్. దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఆల్ ది ప్రివ్యూస్, ఆల్ టాపిక్ రివ్యూస్.
నోట్స్ సెండ్ చేస్తాను.
నోట్స్ అంటే సరే నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను. సరే, గ్రూప్ లో ఒకసారి షేర్ చేస్తాను. బట్ ఏంటంటే ఒక్కొక్క టాపిక్ ఒక్కొక్కలా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటాయి. మీకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఓరల్ గా అది బెటర్. నేను ఇచ్చే నోట్స్ అయినా కూడా మళ్ళీ గూగుల్ నుంచి సెర్చ్ చేసి కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్కే బెటర్ అయితే. ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్స్ ని టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ ని ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేయండి, బెటర్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ ఇంకా ఏమైనా వేరే ఉంటే కూడా కొంచెం
ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ పర్పస్ అయితే మీరు ఒకసారి విష్ణు సార్ని అప్రోచ్ అవ్వండి. ఎందుకంటే ఆయన ఇంతకుముందు ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 8 years నుంచి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి సార్ దగ్గర ఉండొచ్చు ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్స్. విష్ణు సార్ని కానీ దెన్ అశోక్ సార్ని కానీ అప్రోచ్ అవ్వండి.
Hmm.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay, thank you.